How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro screen won't turn on. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So for restart your device, just press them once, volume up and power button. And again, just press them once, volume up and power button. And from here simply swipe up, then mobile phone will be turn off, and then your device will be turn on. And after that, open settings app and select apps and select manage apps, and here you can see on the top three dot, click on these and select other settings, and from here you can see reset app preference, click on this, and from here you can reset apps, and after that scroll down and select additional settings, and from here you can see factory reset. So we will simply click on this. After that, phone will be reset. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.